Let's look now at the main screen itself. Each time you install a new update of the package, you should receive a latest news screen on first entry to the package. This will tell you the changes that have happened. The latest changes will always be at the top. Naturally, with this version being the first, there are no new changes to report. So we'll close that screen. The next thing you may notice is a small notification in the middle of the screen warning you about the availability of either a new version of the program and/or a new version of the standards file. We'll deal with what to do with this in a later video, but in the meantime, not now. Turning our attention to the main buttons at the top of the screen, these are quite similar to that in the earlier version of the program. Apart from the removal of a top line of menu items, these have been converted to buttons. This gives more space on the screen for information and enabled me to make the font size bigger. The first button takes you to the student screen, the second to configuration. Then we have printing facilities, ordinary utilities, these training videos, average credits, which is the same as before. You can select the year now through a menu item here. You can go to the website and the various possibilities through a button here. You can go to the website, download the latest update, how to install an update, details of recent changes. And finally, right at the right hand end, there is a help button which warns you to either contact me or look at the training videos. Where am I? Tells you where the program is living, and this is also reported at the top of the screen now. Makes it easier if we're trying to find out where your program is on your computer. About screen gives you a little bit of information, and the latest changes reveals the notification screen which we saw at the start of this video. The current year is shown, and remember, if you select a different year, I'll go back to 2015. Are you sure you wish to switch? Yes. Do I want to make that the default year which we come into each time we open the package? No. And now we're on year 2015. That ends the description of the main home screen.